Why don't we talk about the public hearing first of all, which you told us about last time we spoke, but seems to have gone well.
Yes, yeah. I mean, you don't get a definitive answer in the actual public hearing itself, but you obviously it could go very wrong on that. That's the day. So I mean, if you have a positive public hearing in terms of like everyone sits down and listens, and all stakeholders have their conversations, and they're all heard over 6 hours, and there's no, it's all done in a cordial manner, which is exactly what happened. You can't have anything more. So the what we actually have there, it's chaired by the State Environmental Agency called SEMAS, and they chaired it, and all the various stakeholders had their say, and we had pretty much overwhelming support, which was great. So they will now go away and digest all of those comments, people's concerns, people's wishes, people's wants, and they will then make a recommendation to a governing body, which is called COHEMA. They're the guys that actually ultimately either ratify it and take it to the court. So they'll listen to all of the, let's say all the comments and concerns, and they'll come back hopefully with an LP for us. We hope within the next sort of 6 to 8 weeks. That'll be a great result. So we're delighted to get it done so quickly. Okay, it slipped a bit compared to what we hoped for that. We do have to remember we've had to live through all of those tailings dam problems of 2019 with Brumadinho, and how that affected everybody in the mining industry in Brazil. And to actually get the EIA resubmitted in public hearings early in 2020 and seemingly gone through with such positive, in a positive climate in a way, I think we did a really, we're very pleased.
Well, I guess you had the benefit of obviously Polito, existing business, been running without any issues, and you obviously have the support of the local community from that. So that all helps. Right. And I think people mustn't underestimate the importance of this. And we've certainly spoken to a few companies in the last couple of weeks who are suffering from not being able to get through the process, as it were.